how to fix cellular data or mobile data not working on your iPhone. So if you want to fix this, you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. So here are a few troubleshooting steps that you can follow to fix this issue. So very first step is that you have to check your cellular data setting. Navigate to your setting here. So once you are on your setting, you have to just go for your cellular here. You can find that. Once you are on your cellular or mobile data, make sure your cellular data is turned on. And you can scroll down and ensure that the app you want to use cellular data is enabled. You can see that here. You have to enable this. On the number second, you have to check that your iPhone is on airplane mode or not. Ensure that if your iPhone is on airplane mode, you can check this by going into your setting or swiping into the control center. Here you can see that. And you have to simply toggle it off. Also, you can go for your setting again and tap on your cellular. Once you are on your cellular here, you have to turn on your cellular data and you have to turn off. And then after turning back off, you have to turn it back on. So it will fix your cellular data. It will fix your cellular data is working or not. If this step doesn't work, you have to simply restart your device, which often solves many connectivity issues. And you have to check for the update on your iOS. So look for the update here. Just go for your setting, tap on your general and go for the software update. If an update is available, follow the instruction to install it. Also, you can reset the network setting. So once you are here on your general, scroll down, go for the transfer or reset your iPhone, tap on the reset option and go for the reset all setting. So you have to enter your password and confirm it. Keep in mind that this will only erase the saved password of your Wi-Fi and VPN setting. Also, you can try a SIM card swap. So you can just try inserting SIM card into another phone to see that the cellular data is working or not. So this will help you to restore cellular data functionality on your iPhone. So if the problem continues after trying this step, you may need to visit an Apple Store or authorized repair center for further assistance. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.